As the world continues to focus on sustainability and energy efficiency, homeowners in Redmond, Washington, are looking for ways to reduce their environmental footprint while improving their homes. One of the most effective and often overlooked upgrades that can benefit both the environment and your home is door replacement. Old, outdated doors can be a significant source of energy loss, and replacing them with modern, energy-efficient doors offers multiple environmental advantages. Whether you are upgrading your entry door, patio doors, or interior doors, the environmental benefits of door replacement are clear. Here's how replacing your doors can help protect the planet while also improving your home's energy efficiency. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant environmental benefits of replacing your doors is the improvement in energy efficiency. Old doors, especially those with gaps, cracks, or single-pane glass, allow heated or cooled air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This leads to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. By replacing your old doors with energy-efficient models, such as those with multi-pane glass, insulated cores, and tight seals, you can reduce the amount of energy lost through your doors. Modern doors are designed to prevent drafts, providing a better seal that helps regulate your home's temperature. This reduction in energy use translates to lower carbon emissions and a reduced environmental impact, making your home more eco-friendly. In Redmond, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between seasons, energy-efficient doors can significantly reduce the need for heating during the winter and cooling during the summer, helping to lower your home's overall energy consumption and carbon footprint. Reduced carbon footprint. The environmental impact of energy consumption is directly linked to the carbon footprint of your home. When you replace old, inefficient doors with newer, energy-efficient options, you are not only reducing energy waste but also decreasing the carbon emissions associated with your household's energy use. In Redmond, where the electricity grid is often powered by a combination of renewable and non-renewable energy sources, using less energy means reducing the demand for fossil fuels, which are a major source of harmful greenhouse gases. As homes use less energy to heat and cool, they contribute less to climate change. This is an important step toward lowering the collective environmental impact of residential areas. Sustainable materials for door construction. Modern door manufacturers are increasingly using sustainable materials in their products, which can have a positive impact on the environment. Many energy-efficient doors are made from recycled or renewable materials, such as fiberglass, steel, or composite wood. These materials are often more durable than traditional wood and require less maintenance over time, reducing the need for frequent replacements or repairs. Additionally, some manufacturers offer doors made with eco-friendly coatings and finishes, which are less harmful to the environment than traditional paints and sealants. By choosing doors made from sustainable materials, you are supporting environmentally conscious companies and contributing to a greener economy. Longer lifespan and durability. When you replace an old door with a new, energy-efficient model, you are also investing in a product that is designed to last longer and require less maintenance. Modern doors are built with durability in mind, using materials that can withstand the elements for many years without showing signs of wear or requiring frequent repairs. This means fewer resources are used over the life of the door, as it doesn't need to be replaced as often as older, less durable models. For example, fiberglass and steel doors are resistant to rot, warping, and weathering, making them ideal for the Pacific Northwest climate. By replacing your old door with a more durable option, you reduce the need for frequent replacements, which in turn reduces waste and conserves resources. Minimizing landfill waste. Every year, millions of old doors are discarded, adding to the growing problem of landfill waste. By replacing your old doors with more energy-efficient models, you are contributing to the reduction of waste by choosing products that are more durable and require less frequent replacement. Many door manufacturers offer recycling programs, where old doors can be repurposed or recycled, ensuring that they don't end up in a landfill. Moreover, by selecting doors that are built to last and require minimal maintenance, you reduce the number of products that need to be disposed of, ultimately lowering the amount of waste your household generates. This reduction in landfill waste is an important environmental benefit of door replacement that is often overlooked. Reducing the need for additional energy resources. Energy-efficient doors can reduce the demand for additional energy resources, which ultimately conserves natural resources. When your doors are properly sealed and insulated, your home requires less energy to maintain the desired temperature. This means fewer fossil fuels are burned, and fewer natural resources are used to produce electricity. For example, homes with inefficient doors may require larger, more energy-consuming HVAC systems to heat and cool the space. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you can reduce the strain on your HVAC system and lower the overall demand for energy, leading to fewer resources being depleted and a lower environmental impact. Enhanced indoor comfort and health. Beyond the environmental benefits, replacing your old doors can also improve your home's comfort and indoor air quality. Energy-efficient doors help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. This creates a more comfortable living environment while also improving indoor air quality by minimizing the ingress of outdoor pollutants, such as dust, pollen, and humidity. In addition, by reducing the strain on your HVAC system, you lower the amount of dust and allergens circulating in your home, which can improve the health and well-being of your family. Conclusion. Replacing old doors with energy-efficient, sustainable models in Redmond provides a range of environmental benefits, including reduced energy consumption, a smaller carbon footprint, and decreased landfill waste. With longer-lasting, more durable doors made from eco-friendly materials, you can enjoy a more comfortable and secure home while contributing to a greener future. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, support sustainable practices, or reduce your environmental impact, door replacement is a smart investment that benefits both your home and the planet.